All right, this question says, solve the following equation. Negative 35 minus 7x equals negative 7 times the quantity x plus 5. So on the right-hand side, we need to use the distributive property. We have to take that negative 7 and multiply it by both terms inside the parentheses. So when we do that, we get negative 35 minus 7x equals negative 7x minus 35. And now looking at this, we notice that both sides of the equation are the exact same. The order of these two terms is switched, but it doesn't matter. We have a negative 35 on both sides. We have a minus 7x on both sides. So when that happens, when both sides of the equation are exactly the same, that means our answer is either all real numbers or infinitely many solutions. That means no matter what value we substitute in there for x, the equation will always be true because both sides of it are the exact same.